Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable frittata step by step. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, sauté 1 cup diced onions and peppers, add 2 cups chopped vegetables, whisk 6 eggs with 1/4 cup milk, season with salt and pepper, fold vegetables into eggs, pour into skillet, cook until edges set, transfer to oven and bake until golden and puffed. Let rest 5 minutes, slice, and serve warm. Start warm and friendly. Prep makes the cooking calm and quick. Chop vegetables uniformly so they cook evenly, and keep eggs at room temperature for fluff. Heat skillet gently and cook firmer veggies first, then add softer ones. Whisk eggs with milk and a pinch of salt, then combine with cooled vegetables before pouring back into the skillet for a smooth, even frittata ready for the oven. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like so I know to make more easy meals. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh, familiar scent you'll smile at when driving to brunch. I've linked it and other useful items in the description so you can find them quickly. Now let's get back to the video. Cook confidently and keep tasting as you go. Once vegetables are tender, reduce heat and pour in whisked eggs to avoid overcooking. Stir briefly to distribute fillings, then let edges set before finishing in the oven for even rise. Watch for a slight jiggle in the center as a sign it is done. Resting for 5 minutes helps it finish and slice cleanly. Serve warm with a simple salad.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.